హాయ్, దిస్ ఇస్ చంద్రశేఖర్. వెల్కమ్ టు మ్యాథ్ చంద్ర. ఈరోజు మనము చాప్టర్ 2 పాలినామియల్స్లో రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ జీరోస్ అండ్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ పాలినామియల్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఇఫ్ ఆల్ఫా అండ్ బీటా ఆర్ ద zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Here a comma b comma c belongs to R, a does not equal to 0. The quadratic polynomial అనేది ax square plus bx c ఫామ్ లో ఉంటుంది. ax square plus bx plus c. Here x square coefficient of x square equal to x square యొక్క coefficient a. Next, coefficient of x coefficient b. Constant term equal to the constant term is c. Sum of the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial equal to minus b by a. Sum of the zeros means here a alpha plus beta. Minus b means the coefficient of x. By here a means coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Next, product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. Alpha into beta equal to c by a. Here c equal to the constant term. Constant term by a means x square coefficient of x square. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, then the quadratic polynomial is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to k x square minus alpha plus beta is sum of the zeros into x plus alpha beta means product of the zeros. Here k is constant.